Did I get the time wrong?
No, I'm sorry. It's me. I'm running way behind schedule. Please come in.
Something smells fantastic. But, I didn't mean for you to make us dinner. I wanted to take you out tonight.
I know. I wanted to surprise you.
Well, I am surprised.
Okay, great. I'm just going to go change, so please make yourself at home, make yourself a drink, maybe two, and I'll be right back.
Emily, how is the bolognese de Rossi turning out?
Yeah, that's the thing. It's not tasting the way I expected.
What do you mean?
I'm pretty sure I screwed up.
How is that possible?
Well, I kind of misplaced what you wrote down for me, so I winged it.
You winged it? You don't exactly have the memory of our boy genius, you know.
Therein lies my problem. So let me go over what I've done so far, starting with 28 ounces of pureed tomatoes, 6 ounces of canned tomato paste, a half cup of Ordo red wine.
Whoa, stop. That's cooking wine.
Yes.
Emily, if my dear Nonna told me once, she told me 1,000 times. If you know drink of the wine, you know cook with the wine.
Okay, but...
This is like when Garcia substituted tofu for pancetta. You have to start over. Ciao.
Hey.
Everything okay?
How do you feel about pizza?